Imagine being able to turn your passions and skills as an online teacher into multiple income streams. What if I told you not only is it possible for you to do this, but it is so much easier than you think? I actually had 5 income streams when I earned my first $100,000 online through online courses, with 2 of those income streams being completely passive. Today, I want to share with you 5 income streams for online teachers for you to be able to make more money without having to list more classes. Make sure you stay till the end because number 5 is my all-time favorite of these, and I'm even going to share the 5 income streams I had when I made my first $100,000 online through online courses. Hey there and welcome back. My name is Rochelle, and within 12 months of quitting my 9-to-5 engineering job, I was able to become a 6-figure online course creator. This enabled my family of 5 to be able to travel the world full-time for 2 years and for me to never have to go back to a 9-to-5 job. If you are wanting to get started with creating your own online courses or digital products, have a look at my free guide down in the description below. It will go through digital products, affiliate marketing, as well as a workbook to help you get started along the way. We all hear the phrase, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And if you are brand new to the online education space, it can be so difficult to look outside of those marketplace platforms like Outschool, Skillshare, and Udemy and see that there are actually multiple ways that you can make money. And I totally get it. If this is your first time thinking of trying to figure out how to make multiple income streams when you're already struggling with just like listing those classes and getting those things going in the first place can seem like a world away, and you probably think you don't have the time. If you're already spending all this time on one income stream, how are you supposed to find the time and the energy and the resources and still sleep and be a functioning person and create multiple streams of income? Well, that's what we're here today. I want to share with you exactly how you could do that. And the first one I'm going to show you is probably going to be the easiest one for you to do because it means you don't actually need to create anything new. Income stream number 1 for 5 income streams for online teachers is going to be selling the curriculum or worksheets that you've already got. Whether you're wanting to leave the classroom and start working online as a teacher, or you are already in the online education space, I'm positive that you already have stacks on stacks of online resources or resources that you could create for online purposes sitting on your desk. 5 highly sought after resources are lesson plans, project-based learning guides, workbooks, reading guides, and even semester or full year curriculum. Not only are teachers interested in purchasing these for their live classes like in person, or whether they are wanting to teach online and want to outsource this and find someone else to create it for them, but homeschooling parents are also looking for these as well. So that means that not only do you have the option to sell your existing resources without creating new ones to teachers like you, but also there is a whole other demographic of people that are actually looking for this kind of stuff and will pay for someone who has the expertise and the degrees and the knowledge that they might not already have. Don't worry, I can already hear you right now. Rochelle, I don't have the time to create more lessons as it is. I don't have the time to build another income stream. How am I going to have the time to build a whole website to sell all these resources in the first place? I've got you there, so don't worry. We are going to have a look at a site called Teachers Pay Teachers, and next week's video is actually on 5 platforms you can sell online resources on. So if you're wanting to sell curriculum, you're wanting to sell your resources, you're wanting to sell your lesson plans, have a look at Teachers Pay Teachers, which we'll go to shortly. And then next week, make sure you stick around for the video all about 5 different platforms that you can use to set up very quickly. And I'm like within an hour have these set up and sell all your existing resources to make another stream of income. So this is Teachers Pay Teachers. If you haven't seen this site before, essentially it is like Etsy for educational resources. So you can sell resources to other teachers as well as parents or anyone looking for educational resources for about prep to grade 12. So this is what the site looks like, but we're interested in making money. So you're going to scroll all the way down. And when you are ready to join, all you're going to do is sign up. And just like a lot of programs out there, fill out all of the details and click join. But I want to talk to you about a few different things here, and they are the different memberships that you can join. There are 2 memberships that you can join, whether you are wanting to become a basic seller or a premium seller. The basic seller fee is $29, non-refundable. It is a one-time fee. However, you only get to keep 55% of your sales. So when you sell it, say you sell a product for $100, you get to keep $55 of that, and Teachers Pay Teachers keeps $45. On the premium seller side, it is a yearly ongoing payment. So it's $59.95 a year, but you get to keep 80%. So if you sold $100 worth of resources, you get to keep $80 of that, and Teachers Pay Teachers takes the other 20. Teachers Pay Teachers is a great online marketplace, but definitely consider the difference between the basic and the premium seller plan. And there are amazing resources on YouTube to be able to help you build, grow, and generate a lot of money from Teachers Pay Teachers. Income stream number 2 for my 5 income streams for online teachers is to sell your ability to create curriculum. So we already looked at selling the curriculum and the worksheets you've already got, but you can actually sell a service where you custom make these for people. This one definitely takes a little bit more time than selling your existing curriculum, but it does mean you can charge more money because you're charging a curated fee for creating those resources for that specific person, rather than creating something once and selling it over and over again. Who's actually going to want to buy this kind of resources? Teachers. So not only are teachers looking for resources on platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers or even Etsy, but you can actually, as a teacher, reach out and find someone else to create the curriculum for you. You're going to be that person that they reach out to, as well as homeschooling parents. Lots of homeschooling parents might have a kid that is really interested in a specific topic that you have the knowledge on, and instead of just going and getting another workbook, they can reach out to you and you can provide a custom workbook, a custom lesson plan, or even an experiment. Obviously, depending on what they're after, depends what you can create. But that's where your expertise comes in, because you know this field and you can create those resources. So those parents are going to come to you for that. Lots of new online educators that may not be teachers originally always go to platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers and Etsy to look for curriculum to be able to help them grow their existing business. And when you become really big and you start outsourcing, like I did, I actually started an organization on Outschool. I had 14 teachers for me at one stage teaching for me, and not only was I outsourcing someone to teach my classes, I actually outsourced people to create the lessons for me. So I reached out to my teachers that I had teaching for me and other teachers with expertise in the areas I was looking for to create lesson plans for me, to create worksheets, slides, entire semester curriculum. So there are a lot of organization owners, and that's what they call the businesses on Outschool, that are looking for people to create this stuff for them. So check out some Facebook groups. Make sure that you have your site set up with a bit of information. So you can have something on Teachers Pay Teachers that is a section where people can go and say, hey, I would like you to create something custom for me, and you can have that as a listing. You could also then use places like Stand Store or Beacons to have your own kind of like a link in bio store where people can go and see what you offer and then reach out to you that way. If you're interested in trying to learn about Stand Store and Beacons, make sure to check out next week's video because I'll go into both of those. Income stream number 3 for my 5 income streams for online teachers is to shift your focus from teaching courses to kids to then towards adults. If you're already on Outschool, if you're in any of the Outschool groups, you would most certainly see that this question pops up all the time. And that is, I have parents looking to take my classes. Can I teach them on Outschool? And the answer is always no. No, you can't. If you are a teacher on Outschool or you're looking to join Outschool, you can only teach your classes to kids under the age of 18. So what do you do when you've got parents reaching out to you saying, hey, I love your class, do you teach it to adults? And your only response is, no, I can't do that. Well, you do that. Obviously not on Outschool. You're going to take that class, you're going to add some adult concepts to it, maybe take out a few of the little childish parts of it for, you know, those cute little 5-year-olds you're teaching to, and you're going to start teaching it to adults. Now, there are marketplaces that you can sell these on. So you can sell it on places like Skillshare and Udemy, specifically for adults, and then create your own platform. So you don't actually have to create your own Outschool platform. You can simply list your classes as options on things like Stand Store or Beacons, and you can have your lessons and what you offer and the courses that they can join. And now, not only are you an online teacher, but you're growing into more of that online course creator space. Income stream number 4 of my 5 income streams for online teachers, because we are all about making multiple streams of income, is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is like the cream of the crop for passive income. And isn't that what we're all chasing, to make money while we sleep? Now, affiliate marketing, if you have not heard of it before, is where you promote somebody else's product, and when somebody purchases that product through your specific link, you then make a commission. So you get to generate an income from marketing someone else's product. Not only is this going to be able to provide another income stream for you, it's also going to be able to provide extra value for your students, for your parents, for the people consuming your products. So if you're using specific equipment, you can link to that equipment, whether it's on Amazon or another website that does offer an affiliate program. And then you can say, hey, go to these sites to buy all of the ingredients for this week's cooking task. Or we're going to be doing an experiment. These are the 5 things you need to purchase. I've already got those links for you. So again, another stream of income, but you're making it easier for people to get the equipment, to get the ingredients, to get whatever they need to be able to do what you're teaching by simply handing them the link as well. So you're creating so much more value. Where exactly can you put these affiliate links? So the first thing you need to do is find out if the software you're using, if the programs you're using, if the products you're using actually do have an affiliate link. So obviously Amazon has one, StanStore, System.io, all of those kinds of things do have affiliate programs. Quick Google search will be able to answer that question for you. And then it depends where you're selling it. So if you are using online marketplaces like Outschool, unfortunately, you're not allowed to use affiliate links. Definitely reach out to Trust and Safety and ask them about that, but I know it has been a big no-no for a very long time. So this is where listing your own classes on places like System.io or StanStore means you can add these affiliate links. So you can actually put it straight on your page. So if you have a what's called like a link in bio page, where people click on the link in your bio, I know, amazing wording here, and it's going to open up a web page, which is a page with all the things they can click on for your classes, get to know you, book a call with you, and then you'll have affiliate links like buy these resources for these classes. If you're doing more of a course-based class, it could be on the first page of your class and it says, hey guys, these are the things you're going to need for this lesson. Make sure you purchase them from this site. And then it's really important to make sure that you're only suggesting products that you use or you have used or that you trust, because there's nothing worse than recommending something to someone and it not being what they hoped for, and it kind of doesn't help you build that trust and credibility with your audience, with your students, with your parents that you definitely want to build. If you are looking at adding affiliate marketing into your business, make sure you check out the link in my bio with a free guide that will go through the basic steps of how to get started with affiliate marketing. And income stream number 5 of my 5 income streams for online teachers is by far my absolute favorite. And it is perfect for teachers, it is perfect for educators, and that is to create your own online courses, your own online guides and ebooks, even webinars based on your own personal hobbies, like your skills and your passions. So I'm talking about completely stepping outside of that teacher role. We're going to leave her over here, and you're going to be able to create a business completely based around something you really, really love. Now, I'm not saying that you don't love teacher. She's sitting over here and she's fine, but we're talking about creating another stream of income. So if you absolutely love gardening, you have a skill for knitting, or maybe you're really into fitness, you can create online courses around those hobbies because you already know how to create online courses. I think this is something that's really important here is, as a teacher, as an educator, you know how to create online courses already. You may not know how to bundle them up, how to market them, where to sell them. When it comes to writing a lesson plan, that was your job. Over here, we already know how to do this. So we're going to take that over here and we're going to make more money out of it, because that's what this whole video is about. It's about making you more money. If you are excited about creating your own courses based on your skills and passions that you already have, make sure you subscribe, because this whole channel is about helping you create more money through digital products and online courses, utilizing the skills and passions that you've already got. Over the last 3 years, I've been able to create multiple 6 figures online, all because I had multiple income streams. And like I promised at the beginning of the video, I'm going to share with you what those 5 income streams actually were. The first income stream I started with was I created online courses for kids, especially in that STEM and gaming area. So I had a Beyblade class where we did experiments and we learned about force and friction and gravity through Beyblades, and that was geared towards kids. And all of my classes that I taught and all the courses that I taught were ages for about 5-year-olds to probably about 12 or 13. After this, the second income stream I added was I created my own education company. So I stood back from creating and teaching the courses myself, and I hired other teachers to teach live classes for me. So I still had courses running in the background that were self-paced, and you could just sign up, and like an evergreen course, kids could do it at any time. And then I had teachers teaching live classes for me as well. As I was able to grow these businesses, I then started offering one-on-one coaching to people that wanted to get onto Outschool, who wanted to make money online, who wanted to grow their online business. And I did one-on-one coaching calls with those people. And I also had a 3 and a 6-month coaching program available for adults to purchase and for me to help them that way. My fourth stream of income was after I really started to grow that education business and stepped back from teaching kids. I started creating online courses for adults. So the very first course I actually have created, I think I calculated it, between the kids and the adults, over 80 different courses, which is insane. But that first adults course that I created was a course that taught teachers how to create online escape rooms. So I went through the back end of how to create it, how to sell it, and how to market it. And then the final income stream I had, which was completely passive, was my affiliate marketing. So I promoted tools and software that I used within my business to other people, other teachers, parents, educators that would find these software and these tools useful for themselves. The goal this year is to create another income stream with YouTube, and that's obviously a big one for me, but I want to help you do that as well. So if you're wanting to grow on YouTube every Tuesday, I'm doing it's like this, but it's a vlog style where I'm just talking to you about what I've learned that week, what I'm implementing, how my channel's growing, and it's all about my journey to monetization. And I'm sharing that from day one, which was last Tuesday, all the way through till I get monetized, where that takes 3 weeks, it takes 3 months, maybe even a year, hopefully sooner. But if you were interested in YouTube being another revenue stream for you, then you definitely want to go check out those videos. And we go through everything that I've learned and everything I'm going to be doing next week, as well as answering any of your questions. So I've already got some comments and questions coming in from the last video, so next week's video will definitely be talking about those. And if you found this helpful, make sure you give it a like, and I'll see you all in the comments.